So this video is going to be kind of a before and after of changing my road bike from your traditional kind of drop handlebar to a more upright handlebar. So this is what it's got at the moment. And this is what I'm going to fit. So these are kind of your sort of typical handlebar options. These are kind of more your flat bars, and these are riser bars. I'm going with riser because, well, they're in better condition than aluminium, and they're old and tatty and steel. And I'm also going to fit some white cable outers while I do it. And yeah, what I do is I'll go and do it now, and then I'll cut back and I'll show you what I've done and talk through a few of the things you need to look out for in making sure the parts match and stuff like that. But it's quite a good way to make a road bike much more comfortable. And that's it done. Admittedly, I'm not quite convinced the white cables was the best choice of colour, but I'm quite pleased with it. I mean, it rides really good now. It's much more comfortable, and it's just feels like a very different bike. So the things I did was, remove the old handlebar. All the old cables came off. I flipped this stem upside down because it was aiming down to, point it up to give a little bit more, make it a little bit more upright, a bit more comfortable. And yeah, changed all the cables. They're all brand new. Right, so it's been a few days since I did this, but I remembered I needed to go over the pointers, and the things you should consider if you are thinking of doing this to your bike. So the things to check are measure the diameter of the handlebar where it goes through here, because you do get different sizes, and make sure you get road specific levers. There's two reasons. Apparently the front cable pull is different on a mountain bike and a road bike, and the lever pull is different as well. So these levers are actually adaptable, so they can work with V-brakes or road brakes depending on where you position the little silver piece that the cable goes in. I mean, some people say you can use mountain bike ones, but I think where possible it's best to stick with the right stuff. Also, make sure that you buy the right brand. So if you've got Shimano drive system, get Shimano. If you've got SRAM, get SRAM, because the same again, there could be some differences. And you're not going to want to run into problems. But otherwise, good luck and give it a go, see what you can do. Now, if you are finding your bike uncomfortable, there's no point suffering it.